Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a beautiful sling bag having 3 pockets. So let's get into the detail of the video. The measurement is 5.5 by 8.5. You need 2 of these, and the lining you need 3 pieces of 5.5 by 8.5. Alright, so now the next thing to do is to sew this to line the main body, and I'm using leather material, so we're going to be sewing it round. Alright, so after this you trim off the excess. Okay, now the next thing to do is you measure 2 inches from this point and mark it. Okay, so 2 inches, right? So I'm gonna cut it. So I'm repeating the same thing here. I'll also measure 2 inches and cut it. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is to fix our zip cloth on the side I cut, right? So I'll do like this. So I'll stitch it. So I'll fold it this way and stitch it. Okay. So I'll pick this one, place it on it like this, and stitch it. So the next thing is to fold this like this inside, okay, and stitch it again. So I'm repeating the same procedure on the other part. Okay, on the other I'll fix my runner on my zip head this way. So repeat the same thing. Alright, so I'm going to be fixing my zip cloth on this. I'm done with this too. So you pick it and fix your zip cloth on this. I'll stitch it. So I'm going to pick the other side and place it like this. I'll stitch it and stitch it the second time. Okay, so see this, I'll fold it and stitch it the second time. Alright people, so now let's quickly fix our runners on all, or our zip head. Okay. So let's trim off the excess. Now the next thing to do is to flip it to the right side this way. So I need 2 of this. Okay, I need 2 of these, making 4, right? Now look at this. I'll bring this, I'll place it here and stitch it. I'll also bring another lining, fix it here and stitch it. So this is what we have. The next thing to do is you stitch it round and trim off the excess. So you fold it into two and stitch the down part. Alright, so cut a little material and cover the stitched part. The next thing is to flip it to the right side like this. Okay, to cut your belt. So I'm using a 1-inch belt. This is my belt. Okay, so cut the one that is sufficient for you and then you stitch it. Belt. Okay, so we'll start from here like this. So I'll stitch it well. So if you are yet to like this video or subscribe to my channel, please do so. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button and also click the thumbs up button to like this video and leave comment in the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so I'll repeat the same thing like this. Stitch it. Alright, so people, this is what we have. So this is one. I can fix my phone here. Okay, 2, I can put my cards here and my money, and then this is 3. I can also put some essentials here. So thank you so much for your time. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe now and click on the thumbs up button. Comment in the comment section. Bye for now.